inside of you, there are two people, John and Mike. Have you met them before? Yes? Have you heard them before? No? Let's see. Let me refresh your memory. Mike is the person who will push you to success. And he will tell you, shut up and listen. We can do this. John is the person who says, hey, this is so easy. You can teach them how to do it. And he starts talking to you. Have you heard him before? Yes? Who do you listen to more, John or Mike? Who do you listen to more, John or Mike? Who said Mike? You listen to Mike more. Huh? All of you listen to John more. Okay? Because if you listen to Mike more, you'll be on stage. Okay? All your life, you have been listening to John. You understand? Okay? Let's see if you can still maybe remind you. Let me remind you of John. After a long day, you come home and you're sitting in front of the TV, very tired, having a glass of tea. And your downline calls you. I need your help. There are two prospects that I need you to help me do a presentation. Can you come now? What will you do? What will you do? Huh? No. First, Mike will talk. Mike said, you are the upline. Let's go. Let's go and help them. Then John will say, Arey Baba, you are tired. They can manage themselves. They need to be independent. You're already tired. Finish the tea. Tell them you'll meet them tomorrow. Who do you listen to? Who do you listen to? When you hear that, what should you do? What should you do when you hear that? 3 words you must say. Shut up, John.